know what happened? Yeah, I'm sure you're familiar with that. What's meant by demigod? AD is a Latin phrase which means BCE stands for the Julian calendar. Yeah, the Julian calendar. Frankenstein, it means, the world's first science fiction novel, first full-length feature film. Which one? AD. AD stands for Anno Domini or Anno Domini. Domini or Domini. AD is a Latin phrase which means in the year of the Lord. BC. BC stands for before Christ. BCE. BCE stands for before Common Era or before Current Era or before Christian Era. January 1st in 45 BC, on 1st January, the Julian calendar, the Julian calendar takes effect for the first time on New Year's Day. The Julian calendar, introduction of all calendars on some other day, inshallah. Let's move forward. There's a word, Frankenstein. Frankenstein. It means something that destroys or harms whom? The person or people who created it. It's something that destroys or harms person or people who created it. Let's try to comprehend it. Have a look at it. The sentence. In arming the dictator, the US was creating a Frankenstein. I'm sure you understood the meaning. There's another word, Prometheus. What does it mean? In Greek mythology or in ancient stories, Prometheus means a demigod, a demigod who stole fire from Mount Olympus. What's meant by demigod? In ancient stories, demigod is a being. It's someone. It's a character. It's a being who is partly human and partly a god. You understood? MashaAllah. On 1st January 1818, Frankenstein or the modern Prometheus is published. What is published? Frankenstein or the modern Prometheus. What's it? The book by 20-year-old M.W. Shelley. The book which is frequently called the world's first, the world's first science fiction novel. Science fiction novel. 1st January 1915. Audiences file into the Loring Opera House, California, for a sneak preview of first full-length feature film. Which one? The Klansman. The Klansman, later renamed The Birth of a Nation, on 1st January 1942. You know what happened? I'm sure you're familiar with that. You know that United Nations created. How? On some other day, inshallah.